at the airport. Pupunta kaming Cebu, guys. Hi, Jo.
Pero tubig.
Hi, Jo. Wala, kinuha na nila.
Lo, wala ko yun.
Ito, tubig.
Oo, wala tayong tubig.
Hi, Dong. Ako rin, Dong. Ako. Dong.
To all departing passengers of flight D315 bound for Iloilo, you may now follow the line in front of gate number 16 according to your zone numbers, which can be found on your boarding pass. Thank you for waiting. Our Asia flight Z2315 bound for Iloilo is ready to accept passengers for boarding to gate number 16. At this time, we would like to invite our passengers seated in room 1 from rooms 1 to 5, 12 and 14, passenger with infant and small children. Passenger needs special assistance. May now board the aircraft using priority lane at gate number 16. Let's